Hey folks, me again today. I'm going to be talking about motorcycle lovers. Now, this isn't attack on motorcycle lovers. I myself personally am a motorcycle lover, but I'll say this. Look, we're motorcycle lovers, not brand lovers, because it doesn't matter what brand it is. If a company's failing, then it's going to fail. I mean, there's literally nothing you can do. I mean, it's not because of the pandemic, it's just that mismanagement and everything, to be perfectly honest with you. If a motorcycle, I don't care what brand of motorcycle it is, as long as it functions like a motorcycle, I don't care about the rest. But companies need to shut the hell up about politics long enough and actually make a good motorcycle for once. There's actually motorcycles that do have Bluetooth radios on there. I would love to have a custom motorcycle myself. One that has a radio and a Bluetooth radio. That'd be, if I ever do get my motorcycle license. Most difficult part going through motorcycle classes, let's just say motorcycle classes have more problems than an algebra textbook, to say the least. Out on the open road, born to be wild, living on the edge. Wheels of steel. Look, if it's a motorcycle, buy it. I don't care what brand it is. That's what I'm trying to say. I mean, capitalize on the glory days. They were all good and all, but Bob Dylan said, "For the times they are a changing." Me, I just update my fashion a little bit, but not a whole lot. Me, that's what I'm trying to do, is like trying to merge like gothic and 80s metalhead with a biker attitude. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, with a dash of goth in there as well. I'm literally in the process of purchasing platform boots. But platform boots are expensive, I know that much. Out on the open road, living my dreams. That would be the day. But anyway, folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok. God bless y'all, and I'll see you next video.